Manipurda ahanbo oina pangthokpa District Olympic Games 2025 ngasidagi Thoubal District ki Wangjingda leba Kodompokpi Sports Complex da hawdokre. Manipur Olympics Association ki meeting makhada District Olympic Association Thoubal na District Administration Thoubal ga khusimnaduna tha asigi kunipan fawba numit mangani chupna chathagadaba Olympic Games asigi ngasigi hawdokpa ki thoramda First District Olympic Games 2025 ki Organizing Committee ki Chairman su oiriba DC Thoubal Hanakamai IAS Manipur Olympic Association ki President Sunil Elangbam, DIG Range to Jogesh Chandra Haubizam, Youth Affairs and Sports YASKI Director Dr. M. Veto Singh, SP Thoubal Sivananda Survey IPS, CO 3rd IRBS Hemanta Singh Amade, Mera Yuva Bharat Manipur ki State Director L. Marjit Kumar Singh na Mathang Shina, Athoiba Mitung Thoram Mapu amasung Akhanaba Mitung Singh oina saruk yaki. First District Olympic Games 2025 ki Organizing Committee ki Chairman su oiriba DC Thoubal Hanakamai IAS na Games asigi firal chingkhatuna ngasidagi First District Olympic Games 2025 hawdokle haina laukthokpaga loinana tongan ba masana kunda athoi ahen tanagadoriba Games asi hawdokkibaga mari leinana sanaroi singna mass pass chattuna Games hawdokpagi wasaksu lauki tungda Games hawdokpagi mairasu Khongjom War Memorial Complex tagi Wusu Sanaroi Arjun Awardee W Sandhyarani Devi na luchingduna main venue tamna puraki Manipurda ahanbo oina pangthokleba District Olympic Games asida district asiki tongan ba mafam singda pangthokadoriba event sing adudi archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, judo, kabaddi, kho-kho, table tennis, taekwondo, volleyball, wusu, sepak takraw, mukna, polo, jet kunedo, wrestling, shooting amadi karate ni ngasi opening numita HKKSA Haukhakiamga Pathap FC Lilonga football match amasu sanaki First District Olympic Games 2025 hawdokpaga mari leinana athoiba mitungi warol piraduna Organizing Committee ki Chairman su oiriba DC Thoubal Hanakamai IAS na haikibada aikoina awaba kaya mayoknarabasu aikoi unity leiri haiba adu utnanabagidamak games asi miyamgi matinga loinana pangthokpani district asigi maipakpa haiba sisu ngasi thoklakliba Sanaroi Shingsigi Kutasu Laire Haraduna, Ngasidagi Hauriba, Manipurda Ahanbo oina pangthokleba District Olympic Games asi aikoi punna maipaknaba hotnaminarasi haiki.
So much for coming forward and we have seen hardships, we have seen conflicts, we have seen killings, we have seen happiness, we have seen sadness in our life, but amidst all these challenges in our life, I think this is the occasion, this is the platform we come together to show our uniqueness of unity. And aikoina witness storise, aikoina ujabada, aikoigi awaba matam leijaragasu, we can at least come together to show our unity. Aikoise unity laiye haibido adum uchabagi. And this is a very historic event, and I'm so grateful to the people of Thoubal for the cooperation, for your sacrifice, for everything that you have done. You have done your part. Thank you so much once again. And asigi sports person mayam say this is not only showing your skills and your potentials, but you're showing that we can really do it. District asigi my papa haise noigi kutalaye I depend on you. Aduga let us not resort to further violence and further killings and further hardships in our life, but let us assure ourselves, let us reaffirm that we will resort to peace, we will resort to love and unity among us. Aduga asigi sports se ay yamna haijararoi because time is running and everyone is very exciting. Aduna mayam se collectively aikoina asigi first district ki Olympic Games se mai pak na ba hotna rase habido haijage aduga this is not just a competition for the medal, but this is the beginning of our progress for the development and for building our future generation. Thank you so much for all the officers out here for your contribution, for everything that you have done for this function, for this program, and everyone. Mayambu best wishes adum picture and I believe that this will be a successful one. Have the heights and the lois in